this session is on question on vectors. And vectors, you will really appreciate how I will solve this question. They have given you three vectors, A, B, C. And they are said they are in the same plane. If 3A minus 2B is equal to C, find I, the vector B, D, this symbol. Anytime you see this symbol, we call it magnitude. Magnitude or length or modulus. That's how we call it. But normally the name people know is magnitude and what? Length. And the formula for length or magnitude is s squared plus y squared. We also have another formula. It's s2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. We use this formula whenever you are given two coordinates. And always we use this formula when you are given only one coordinate. So take note. This is the formulas for what? Length or magnitude. Always this is used when you are given two coordinates, and this is used when you are given one coordinate. For instance, if I give you find the length for 3, 4. Now you see they are giving you only one coordinate. The formula is s squared plus y squared. This is x, this is y. Is 3 squared plus what is y? 4 squared. So 3 squared is the same as 3 times 3, which is what? 9. And 4 squared is the same as 4 times 4, which is what? 16. So 9 plus 16 we have 25. And square root of 25 is 5. But in length we bring units, 5 units. This is when we use this formula once you are given only one coordinate. And if you are given two coordinates too, you use this formula. So we will use this formula to find the vector B. So we have 3A minus 2B is equal to C. What is vector A? We have negative 1, 4. This is the same as 3 times A minus 2. What is vector B? We don't know. X1 equal to C is what? 3, 2. So we have this 3 will multiply. It will affect the numbers in the bracket. So 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. 3 times 4 is what? 12. Minus 2 times x, we have 2x. And 2 times y is what? 2y. Equal to 3, 2. Once we have equal sign, we call it equality of vectors. You equate the top ones and also the down ones. And the top ones, we have negative 3, negative 2x, and 3. It becomes negative 3 minus 2x is equal to what? 3. Let's group like terms. So negative 2x is equal to 3 plus 3. Negative 2x equal to 6. You divide both sides by negative 2. So x is equal to negative 3. That's our first value. The second one, we equate the numbers at the bottom. So it becomes 12 minus this negative will affect this 2x and 2y minus 2y equal to 2. You group like terms. So it becomes negative 2y is equal to 2 minus 12. Negative 2y equal to negative 10. You divide 2 by negative 2. And we are getting y to be 5. Because 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 5. So we have x as negative 3 and y as what? 5. This means our vector, which is xy, becomes x is what? 3, negative 3, and y is what? 5. So our vector B is this, negative 3 and what? 5. We do not have over in vectors. Over becomes fraction. II you have been asked to find the magnitude of D and express your answer in the form PQ. At any time they ask you to find your answer in P square root Q, this is in a said form. There is a topic in mathematics called said P square root Q. So you use this formula to find D. So D is equal to B minus C. You see, if we didn't solve for B, you can't solve for this. How will you solve it? Because this time B is in this equation. So what is B? B is negative 3, 5. And C, we have C as 3, 2. So it becomes subtraction of vectors. It becomes negative 3 minus 3 and 5 minus what? 2. Because this negative, it will affect this 3 and this 2. So negative 3 minus 3 is negative what? 6. And 5 minus 2 is what? 3. So we have our D as negative 6 and 3. And you have been asked to find the length. You have been asked to find the length. And the formula becomes x squared plus y squared. So this is our x and this is our y. It becomes negative 6 squared plus 3 squared. So negative 6 squared is 36 plus 9. 3 squared is 9. So 45. So square root of 45. Whenever you get something like this, you choose two numbers. If when you multiply, you get what? 45. But we must find one number as a perfect square. So it becomes, you see, when we take 15 and 3, 15 times 3 is what? 45. 5 and 9 will get 45. But looking through this one we do not have any perfect square. But this one we are having 9 as a perfect square. So it becomes 9 times 5. And this is the same as square root of 9 times square root of 9 times square root of 5. So square root of 9 is what? 3 times square root of 5. And 3 times square root of 5 is the same as 3 root 5. So our P is what? 3 and Q is what? 5. This is a nice question of vector and is examinable. Thank you.